Hi y'all, today we're doing a crowd-pleasing coleslaw. So for this recipe, I have about 6 cups of shredded cabbage with a hint of carrot already shredded up for this. You can kind of see that when you do it with a food processor, it kind of leaves some chunks sometimes. So you can kind of get this to the texture that you like, but I actually kind of like it a little more coarse, like this. Okay, I like a little bit of onion in mine too. You probably would want to have this minced up pretty fine, maybe even finer than that. This here's about 1/4 of a cup, but let's just kind of see here. 2, 3. It's about 3½ tablespoons of onion minced up. I have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is 1 teaspoon of whole celery seeds. See these? This right here, it makes a big difference in the flavor, and the actual celery seed just doesn't seem to give it the same taste. I mean, actual celery doesn't seem to give it the same taste as the celery seeds, so I would suggest that you get those. It does make a difference. This is sugar, just regular sugar. It's 1 tablespoon. This is about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. May need more than this. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to go with a teaspoon of salt just to kind of start, and we'll see how that goes. Sometimes you just need to adjust it according to your taste. And I like a bit of pepper. You might not. And that's going to be according to your taste as well. I am going to need some more mayonnaise. So that was about 3/4 of a cup. Let's keep stirring so we can see whether or not this does a whole lot more, just a little bit. Just trying to get that mayonnaise spread to all of it. I don't like it to be overly mayonnaised. Okay, I'm going to add another tablespoon. So I'm going to say probably need to jump it up to about a cup. I'll put that in the ingredient list that it needs a cup. And that's really all there is to it. It seems so simple, but I really get a lot of requests for this. I learned how to make this at a little deli that I used to work at. The secret was the celery seeds, and it really does make a difference. Before you go, I just wanted to share a quick tip that's very helpful when you just need to calm down real quick. One of the things that helps me a great deal, and one of the things that I often share with people, is to have what they call a staying calm plan. That's where you come up with a list of things that you like to do that you enjoy that would help you to calm down. For example, I like to read, and sometimes I like to dance or go for a walk, call a friend, that kind of thing. What are some things that you enjoy? And even for your kids, you know, they might say that they like to play with cars, or they like to talk to their mom, or take a nap, or, you know, play outside for a little bit. But moms and dads, as well as kids, all need their own staying calm plan. And I would suggest coming up with at least 5 things that you can do if you're getting upset or you just need to calm down. And you'll be surprised at having your own go-to plan, how much help that can give you. If you like that video, please like and subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be informed when other videos become available. And as always, thank you so much for watching.